Today I'll introduce BONOSS active cooling wheel spacer for Honda Accord. As a professional automotive wheel parts manufacturer and supplier, BONOSS has more than 10 years of professional experience, focusing on producing and manufacturing safe automobile foot wheel spacers, lug nuts, bolts, and other accessories. Why choose BONOSS? We have the global patent active cooling design. As a professional wheel spacer manufacturer, BONOSS has created the world's first active cooling technique based on years of experience, breaking the long-term single function of the wheel spacer. Through the rotation of the wheel spacers, the external cold airflow takes away the internal heat, so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling, improve the braking efficiency, and reduce the risk of driving safety. BONOSS foot wheel spacers have two different materials for you to choose: aluminum alloy 6061 T6 and aluminum alloy 7005 T6. The strength of aluminum alloy 6061 T6 wheel spacers are totally strong enough for daily driving, which features many desirable properties: high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. The lug nuts of BONOSS wheel spacers have achieved the ISO standard grade 10. The matching wheel studs on the Honda Accord wheel spacer made of forged SAM 440 alloy steel achieved the ISO standard grade 12.9. Matching lug studs have passed the SGS 2 million times limited life range test without damage. Each of matching wheel studs or lug nuts have unique BONOSS engraved. They're all made by BONOSS own factory. The quality is guaranteed. BONOSS products has passed over 66 SGS and TÜV authority test reports and all achieved excellent scores. Besides, we also provide the OEM ODM customer service. From 3mm thin to 160mm thin is available. PCD CB conversion wheel adapters and thread size, thickness, and bolt patterns are customized according to your exact requirements. BONOSS products has 10 years warranty service. You can feel free to buy it. Besides, BONOSS complete R&D design and production service provide more professional service and high quality product choice. We have more than 10 professional technical R&D personnel specializing in vehicle data collection, product design optimization, product testing, and finished product launch. BONOSS wheel spacers provide higher performance, more additional functions, fast customized service, and friendly service, which is your best choice.